All right, folks, we continue. We're joined by Levent Carahan, who's the founder and chief executive officer of Reggae Inc. And Garth Enriquez, my good friend, and Sean's father, Sean Paul's father, is here with us. A very good friend, but him just leave me out there money thing.
Jason Henriquez's father, too. Jason Henriquez's father, too.
Yes.
All right. Of course, they're up on TV. Good morning to you both. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Levent, what is Reggae Inc.?
Well, Reggae Inc. is a digital distribution company. So our core business is to aggregate content, like from artists, producers, and labels here in Jamaica, and distribute it down to the world, mainly in Europe. We started with Europe, 43 shops in Europe, and then we're going to go to the US and so on, and cover the world.
Okay. Garth, I suspect you have to get permission from the artist to do this, or no?
Yes.
You do?
Yes. It's permission to load their music up onto our site, and then we can distribute it.
And then they get something out of it at the end of the day?
Yes, it's a 50-50 deal that they get to start out with, and they get
a good little change. But so it must be good for them, because they really don't have to do any work here. You're doing everything for them.
We do all the work. We do all the marketing, and send it throughout the world, you know.
I know you've been up for a little while. How has it been going?
Well, we started developing the system for the last 2 years, and we are going out now to the artists and producers and labels to collect the content. It's going good so far. We signed with Taxi Records, Lion Robbie, Mixing Labs, and so on, taking it from there. And the feedback is great, of course, because everybody wants their music out there legally, and even get returns back.
Mm.
We've been getting quite a few artists from abroad, like Pluto Shervington, and you know.
On the consumer side of it, how do they pay for the music? Do they have to have a credit card?
It's depends on which store they purchase the music. So every store has their own payment system. So let's say a store in UK would do credit cards, a store in Germany would do phone bills, and so on and so on. So
they don't purchase directly from your site. It is the partner sites that you work with.
Yeah, we have a site on REGGAEinc.com. We have a site. We have a shop as well where you can purchase music. But our core business is really to distribute to other sites. So whatever payment systems they have, that's what they use.
I like the fact that you use the word store, because I contend that the music business hasn't really changed that much. People talk about digital distribution. It's just a different method. You make your music, you take it to a distributor, they sell the CDs. Now you make your music, you take it to an aggregator, and they sell the MP3s. Is that correct?
It's correct, yes.
Right. Guys, to play devil's advocate, how I know as an artist that I think you're not robbing me? How I know that?
Well, we send you a statement every 3 months. You get a statement of wherever your music is being sold and how much is being sold. And we're also working on a piece of technology that will give you an account number for yourself. You just put that in on our website, and you can see everything that is going on whenever.
Okay, so I could check myself.
Yes.
It's not a word-of-mouth thing here.
Right. And the good thing is that we're here in Jamaica. They're not abroad, where you have to go and, you know, if you're going to check, you have to go abroad for some of the other distributors. Here, we can do it right here.
I can find you and ask you, which is that important.
Right.
For it to make sense for you, do you have to have an exclusive distribution deal, an exclusive digital distribution deal with the artist?
No, it's non-exclusive. So if you're signed with us, you can sign with anybody else. Or if you're signed with anybody else that doesn't have an exclusive distribution, then you can sign with us as well.
Would there be benefits to me as an artist if it is that I gave you my tracks exclusively for distribution?
Well, that's something we could look into. Right now we are signing on a non-exclusive basis, but that's a point, of course, where an artist comes and says, okay, we could do it exclusive with you, and then therefore you do major promotion in those target markets. So we can talk about that. Yes. Good idea.
Sounds interesting. Sounds interesting. And if the artists want to get involved, what do they do?
They can contact myself at gh@reggaeinc.com or 864-6109, or Kerry Forbes at 383-6229, or KC
at REGGAEinc.com.
All right, there you go. Reggae Inc. Sounds like it's a good move. Levent Carahan and Garth Enriquez here with us. And next time I'm come back, then we just get a little change. Look like I'm going to turn our artist.
All right.
Well, I see you shaping up in the morning. It's like,
I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think. All right, guys, good to see you.